How to fix the checkouts unavailable in Shopify. Running into a critical checkouts unavailable error page means your store is actively bleeding money and driving frustrated traffic away. This error screen rarely means Shopify is having a system outage. It almost always indicates a structural block in your subscription status or payment gateway permissions. Today we are opening your admin settings to diagnose and clear the blockages. So let's check your store's foundational status first. The single most common reason for a completely disabled checkout screen is running a store on a free trial without an attached plan. Shopify completely blocks the checkout page from processing any transactions, even manual ones like cash on delivery, until a subscription plan is selected. So to clear this, log into your Shopify admin panel, which is where I am now. Look into the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Then select Plan, right over here, from the configuration tree. And then just choose a plan right over here. As you can see, I'm also on trial. Click here. Then attach your card information and pick up a subscription level. Shopify will not bill your card until your trial days completely run out, but this instantly unlocks the checkout gate. Then guys, if your subscription plan is active but the checkout is still locked down, check how you are accessing the page. If you are browsing your storefront via a custom theme customizer preview link, Shopify's firewall blocks the path and throws an explicit "checkout isn't available in preview" error flag. Always test your checkout using your live custom domain or your primary .myshopify or root domain URL layout. Then let's jump into settings again and go to payments. So if your payment gateway requires urgent identity verification, holds payouts, or has accidentally been left in unconfigured test mode state, the checkout API will violently fail. So just review your primary provider block, clear out any orange account notices, and then press save to push your fixes live. That is it, guys. Systematically verifying your subscription status ensures your checkout funnel stays permanently open. That is it for this one, guys. As always, enjoy and like and subscribe.